peeps, welcome back, Froyo Wannabes. So, I'm Chloe.
And I'm Megan.
That's my sister. This is Molly. Hi.
We are the Broken Twins, and today we're going to be Mariah Elizabeth 2.0.
Yeah.
First, get your fabric fusion and your rubber bands ready and your broken squishy.
Yes.
Then you're going to get the fabric fusion.
We have this broken squishy. It's a dragon, but then somebody pulled it apart.
Very nice squish.
Shoe. Okay, and then we're going to get the fabric fusion and just kind of squirt it on like we did. I'm going to put a little bit more on.
And this is...
And then we're just going to...
Take me!
No, I'm going to edit the
and
music.
Then this. And then here, Molly. Here. So...
Then we're going to take the rubber bands. How about Megan will put some rubber bands on?
I don't trust her. She's the one who cut this thing up in the first place.
No, I didn't.
And this is a sweet, innocent Audrey. I don't know if you want to be internet famous, though, but...
Stop, Megan. Oh,
I'll
great.
cut this out.
It's all over. It's all over. Thank you. Okay, now we have to let this set for a couple of hours.
Like a few minutes. So, peace out.
Peace out, Froyo Wannabes. What's up, Froyo Wannabes? We're back, Broken Twins. We
Yes.
have our squishy here.
Yeah.
And we're going.
Wait.
So we're gonna just undo. Is it roll? Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's okay. So we're just gonna do this. Hashtag Mariah Elizabeth.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Oh my god, that looks so messed up right
Here,
there.
we'll let it like inflate.
We'll see you when it inflates.
We'll see you when it inflates.
So guys, that did not work. So now what we're gonna do is use this hot glue gun.
Sorry, Mariah Elizabeth. We
Yeah,
have
I'm
failed
so
you.
sorry. We failed
failed.
you. We're so sorry. The Broken Twins are so sorry. Hey, we should have a new channel. I'm so sorry about my bad lighting. So anyways, now what we're doing, you already know this. I don't know if we should fill this in. That's what
No,
Mariah
we're not.
Elizabeth does.
Yeah, but she does it with puffy paint. But this is like hot glue, so
Yeah.
it's not gonna work.
Like there's
It's
like
just gonna be
oh my
hard.
gosh, look, it's like this is not a filter, guys. This is not a filter. Yeah. And by the way, I'm so sorry about my hair. It's never like this. Out my hair back and forth. I want my hair back and forth.
Okay, it's finally working. Okay, you guys, we had a terrible fail. I guess we'll see you next video. Bye.
And turn on your notifications. Subscribe.